Hi everyone. Today's video we are going to show you 5 different designs of new shararas for occasion wear. These are all going to be hand embroidered occasion wear shararas. So let's start with the first piece. The first piece is an onion color chiffon piece. This is beautifully done with zardozis, French knot, kardana, pearls and crystals. This is the detailing of the work. We are going to closely show you the detailing of the work to understand it. That's how the booties on the entire sleeves are. These small booties are there on the kurta. This is for the kurta. The sleeves is fully embroidered. This is how the close-up of the work is. And the daman of the sharara's kurta is also with embroidery. So this is the embroidery done on the daman. This is all daman embroidery which is there with thread, zardozi, crystals, pearls and kardanas. That's how the embroidery is. Can be customized in various colors of your choice, not a problem. The sharara is there. This is the sharara. These are the booties on the sharara. And it's got a beautiful dupatta with it, with one side heavy border. This is how the entire border for the sharara is. This is the dupatta's border. It's a pure chiffon dupatta. And this entire dupatta is bordered on one side. That's how the dupatta is. And then you have booties on the entire dupatta. That's how the dupatta is, with delicate booties, and all the other sides are scalloped. These are the sides which are scalloped. So that's how you see the dupatta is. These sides are scalloped. And these are the booties for the dupatta. That's how the piece is. Now we'll show you the piece once again. It's a pink color suit, onion pink color suit, semi-stitched kurta, sharara stitched, pure chiffon dupatta. It's 13,500. Whoever likes it, you can take a WhatsApp, you can take a screenshot, you can WhatsApp us, DM us or mail us. Let's show you the second piece. The second piece is a beautiful pure chiffon sharara kurta. That's how the kurta is. We'll show you the detailing of the work. This is all zardozi, pearls and crystals. That's how the entire neckline of the kurta is. These are small booties on the kurta. This is the daman of the kurta. I'll show you the work closely. And it's got these beautiful danglers in the kurta. These little hangings on the daman, small hangings are given. This is how the kurta is. These are the sleeves for the kurta. And this is how the neckline is. This is the back neckline of the kurta. That's for the back neckline of the kurta. It's got a beautiful contrast sharara on mustard color with it. It's got pearls and booties in it. And a beautiful dupatta. She'll hold the entire set for you so that you can see the entire piece. That's how the dupatta is going to be. So this is the entire look of the piece. This is 13,500. Now we'll show you the next piece. The next piece is a beautiful green color sharara with Swarovski's kardana and pearls work. So this is how the work is. It's got small delicate kardanas, pearls and thread used in it. This is the entire neckline. Small booties all over the kurta. Booties on the sleeves. Border on the sleeves. This is the border on the daman. That's how the daman is. The entire sharara has booties. We'll hold the sharara separately after we show you the kurta. We'll show you the dupatta for this first. That's how the dupatta is. It's got small booties all over and border at the side. Now we'll hold the sharara separately so that you can see how the look of the entire sharara is. So the kurtas are semi-stitched, the shararas are stitched and pure chiffon dupatta. That's how the sharara is. So beautiful sharara with this. This is the front of the sharara. I'll show you the back of the sharara. Back. That's how the back of the sharara is. So we'll show you the front once again. Whoever likes it, you can WhatsApp it to us. This is 9,500. We'll move to the next piece. The next piece is a beautiful peplum with dhotis or tulip pants. So this particular piece is on hot pink color with zardozi and sequins and thread work. That's how the close-up of the work is. So you can see it's all hand embroidery. This piece is going to be stitched in your sizes, because semi-stitched piece, if we give you a peplum, will be difficult for you to wear it. So we give you stitched in your size. That's how the work is. Beautiful bell sleeves are there with it. These are how the bell sleeves are. And tulip pants in your size. We'll show you the tulip pants. It's a crepe tulip pant with this. That's how the back of the kurta is. It's a peplum kurta. Show the front once again. This is the front. A pure chiffon dupatta with this, with Zardozi booties done on it. That's how the look of the piece is. This is 9,500. Whoever likes it, you can WhatsApp us. We'll move to the next piece, which is a mustard color sharara. The next piece is a mustard color pure chiffon sharara. A beautiful piece. See, that's how the piece is. It's a beautiful kurta with sequins and kardana work. We'll show you the close-up of the kurta. That's how the work is. It's got sequins here and kardanas. Swarovski is used with it. The entire kurta is worked in this way. Beautiful sleeves for the kurta. And a lovely sharara with a border. That's how the kurta is. Now we'll show you the dupatta for the piece. This is how the dupatta is. It's got a one-side border with small booties. It's got small stones spread on the dupatta with a one-side border. That's how the border. This is the entire look of the piece. Whoever likes it, you can take a screenshot and you can WhatsApp us. This is 7,500. So these were the 4 new shararas for today's launch. Thank you for watching the video. For any kind of questions regarding the pieces or regarding any order or customization, you can WhatsApp us, DM us or mail us. Our WhatsApp number is there on the page. Thank you.